Tommy Pike. I own Tommy Pike Customs in Greenville, South Carolina. I've been very blessed and I think given a talent to be good in this business. But started right out of high school working on my parents' garage. I just never thought about failure, and I never thought that I couldn't do it. The industry's tough, so there weren't very many opportunities for me. There weren't all the huge tech programs and things like that, and people really thought at the time there was no future in the industry. And well, now it's a $50 billion a year industry. So I'm here to tell you, if you work hard, that's the key. You can do whatever you want to do, but you have to be persistent, and you can't do it for 6 months and think you're going to be at the top. I've been in this for over 20 years. I think the cool part is, in my business, you have the capability now to say, we want to build this killer car, but man, I want this part and I can't find it anywhere. Well, the kids today, with the computer knowledge they have, can go in, CAD this thing up, have a 3D generated, almost like a video game, have this 3D generated model of this part, then they can print it in 3D, test fit it on the car, and then we can go punch in more numbers into the CNC. It's heaven. Man, if you love cars and you love computers and video games, now's the time. You can do whatever you want to do.